cards to show you using this bundle. Oh my gosh, they're right here too. Okay, so we have these two. There it is. Then we have this fun card. Check that out. That's amazing. We've got this one. Yes, I am so glad you said that, Vicki. I was just ready to stop the show, but we've got stuff to share with you. All right, we've got this one using some Granny Apple Green and the Fresh Freesia. And then we've got a little bit of fun on the inside there. This one is pretty colorful, using some more of that designer series paper, kind of cut to make a puzzle. Next one, another gorgeous Fresh Freesia. This one uses that gingham folder on the back there. And then, yeah, some more of that fun paper. This one is so pretty. I love Petal Pink and Pool Party together. They are so pretty. And then this is just a fantastic card, you guys. Love that. All right, we've got this one. Ooh, I love how the background was stamped with that tiny little flower. So cute. Oh, and I almost forgot, we do have this other Petal Pink ribbon. Fantastic, kind of shimmery. Oh, I don't even know what you call it. It's got a name, but I can never remember the names of stuff. So there you go. Then we have this little gem. Super cute. I love that little circle detail with that small flower there. So you guys, this should definitely be on your wish list. And can I just tell you a little secret? Dina Kelly and I are getting ready to put out the registration information for our spring retreat, which is going to be happening at the end of March. This bundle, barring any back orders or selling out from Stampin' Up, this is going to be one of you're going to get that in your retreat packet, is this bundle here. So keep that in mind. All right, we've got this gorgeous one. I love those gems. They sparkle so much. So cute. And a lot of these cards, it's just the paper, you know, because the paper is so pretty. It's just amazing. We've got some flowers stamped right here. That's really fun. All right, we've got this pretty one here, again with that same ribbon zigzagged in the back. This is a fun fold. You can see how fun fold that is. And we've got a nice big rhinestone right there. Petal Pink Organdy. Thank you very much. Yes. Petal Pink Organdy, because here comes another one using it. Some more Petal Pink Organdy. And look at this. How fun is that? A little fun on the front there. And this one also has that little splatter that I was going to use and I didn't, and I probably should have. But we got a little bit of splatter there, which is really pretty. Anyways, here's another one. This just uses the paper. These are the stencils. You can see using just one color of ink. So how, of course, when you double it up, it's a little bit darker. So that's really fun. This beautiful one with the greenery die on the background of this white layer. Love that die so much. Here's one that uses the new dies. Can't remember what they're called. Whatever this shape is, hexagon. That's what it is. Hexagons. And that's actually this shape, this die is going to be part of our online class next month. The Hello Beautiful bundle is our bundle for next month. Then we have this one. I have so many. Gosh, I don't even know how many there are. I'm going to have to count them. We've got this one here, another fun card with a fun inside here. These are those Hippo dies, Hippo and Friends dies. That's both of these. That's really fun. Look at this. This is an interesting card. Check this out. This is something I may have to take apart and figure out how to make this and do this on a Facebook Live or a YouTube Live, because that's pretty fantastic. And then that's a gift card that goes in there. Super cool. Okay, here's another one that uses just a couple strips of the paper and some background stamping, the sentiment, and then added a gorgeous gold foiled butterfly to that. Ooh, look how beautiful the black ribbon is with that. That's pretty too. It's actually shedding. And then we have the designer series paper there. I think I have still 4 more to go. Geez. We've got this one, and check this out. This is either done with our Simply Scored tool to make those lines, or trimmer. I'm not sure. I'm leaning towards the Simply Scored just because it would be very easy. You could just put your cardstock on there and then just, follow the grid to make that fun background there. So that's a lot of fun. Excuse me. All right, this one uses very vanilla as a card base. This is an interesting color combination. I'm not exactly sure that I would do that, but I think it's pretty. Next we have, is this a fun fold? No, but we do have, of course, just a, you guys, and just a tiny strip of designer series paper on the inside of the card is fantastic. It just adds so much to your card. Just adding that tiny little piece to the inside there. All right, and this is the last one. So cool. I think we've pretty much got all the patterns of paper. Oh, and then here's my other one that I did as a swap. So, wow, I'm going to have to count these. There's got to be 25 maybe of these cards. I'm not sure, but I'm going to count them. Thank you guys again for sticking around and seeing all these amazing cards. I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly enjoyed sharing them with you. And thank you again to Vicki for reminding me, because remember, you guys, I'm old. I mean, I'm not that old, but I feel old sometimes, and the memory is just not like it used to be. I'm telling you. So anyway, okay, that's it. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Please share, please tell your friends, please make all the comments. I'll try to go back and check them all out, and I will see you guys back here next week, Thursday nights, 7 p.m. Eastern, here on YouTube on my Barb Stamps channel. So thanks again, you guys, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.